Jesus Christ! Look at outside, guys. This is this is my yard, and look at it's crazy. It's like look at guys. What is this storm?
It's a monsoon.
Yeah, it's a hurricane, a monsoon, a tsunamis coming. Yeah, it's not guys. It's nuts.
Do it. Though.
Yeah.
I would recommend it.
Yeah, it's nuts. Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Look at this shower.
Yeah.
Look at the flag.
Check out the driveway. There's like a river going down the driveway. Look at that.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, this is right in my yard, and this is nuts. That's actually my driveway, but yeah.
Hopefully your windows are open.
They're not open. I worry about the trees.
What is this? This is a monsoon or tsunami or a rainstorm.
Monsoon, right?
Yeah.
Monsoon.
Hey, Greg and Josh and the Crap Brothers are playing out in the rain. Yeah, it is hail. Hail's coming down. Yeah, it's hailing. It's hailing.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah, it's hailing. Wah, wah. Yeah. Oh, well, the fish pond's overflowing. Crap. Crap, the fish pond's overflowing. Shit. Yeah, there's fish in the pond.
Mom, he's not lying. It's overflowing.
Can I? What can I do?
Oh my god. Look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at over there. Yeah.
Jesus, my God.
It's gonna come out. It's green. Yeah.